Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make butter yellow. We'll explore the natural factors influencing butter's color, like a cow's diet, and discuss how beta-carotene plays a key role. Then, we'll dive into practical methods for achieving a vibrant yellow, whether you're making butter from scratch or simply want to enhance its appearance. Get ready to learn some simple tricks. The natural yellow color in butter primarily comes from a pigment called beta-carotene. Cows that graze on fresh, green pastures consume more of this pigment. Their bodies then transfer it to their milk fat, resulting in a richer, yellower butter. Conversely, cows fed hay or grain often produce paler butter, especially during winter months, due to lower beta-carotene intake. If you're looking to enhance butter's yellow color, natural colorants are an excellent option. Annatto extract is widely used commercially and at home, providing a lovely golden hue. A tiny pinch of turmeric powder can also work wonders, but be careful not to add too much, as it can affect the flavor. Even a few drops of carrot juice can offer a subtle, natural tint. To achieve the best yellow butter, always start with fresh, high-quality cream. When adding colorants, begin with a very small amount and gradually increase until you reach your desired shade. Ensure you mix the colorant thoroughly to avoid streaks. Remember, a little goes a long way, and the goal is a natural-looking, appealing yellow. Enjoy your beautifully colored butter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.